ba hlaha dinaheng tse fapaneng ke baahi ba kontinente ya Afrika.
We are here at COP27 where we want to address our leaders so that they move away from investing in gas, which is a fossil fuel which has caused climate change.
We are seeing that the money is up, the humanity is down. In our tradition, in our culture, the person is up, the money or everything, the gold, everything is down.
Ya buelang Afrika Borwa dipuisanong o re hona le dintlha tse thata.
Where finance is concerned, it's always difficult negotiations. But we are hoping to make progress. I mean, the first step was progress in itself because we agreed to have this agenda item to discuss financing arrangements for loss and damage. So that in itself was progress.
The whole government and all agencies of the state, they all mobilized all efforts during the past year in order to have this COP with this level of attendance and with this content, also the quality of content, the quality of sessions, the representations of all leaders from all around the world.
Afrika Borwa ere ina le tshepo hore hosane ho tla ba le phethoho.
Not really a lot of progress on the critical issue of financing and of course on the responsibilities of developed countries to assist developing countries.
Mo president wa naha wa Afrika Borwa Cyril Ramaphosa o re dipuisana mona di tsamaya butle. O boleletse bomphato wa hae kopanong ya dinaha tse tswetseng pele Bali, Indonesia. Sophie Mokoena, SABC News, Egypt.